What's up, everybody? My name is thejjordan, and you know, I don't normally be in the kitchen all the time, but today I'm going to be in the kitchen because I want to do something different before it's the end of the year. You know, it's the end of the year. So what I have here is a slow cooker. We are about to do some slow cooking today. Get something to eat. And yeah, I don't got no greens in here, no veggies, because I don't want none. I might do, if I get company, I might throw something in there. But let me go and show you what I'm about to throw in here. We're going to use, what we are going to do, we are going to have some steak bites. So, we got a stick of butter. I'm washing it. I'm just going to do this right here, but then I'll show you this part, then I'm going to come back and show you the end of it. So, we got the butter. We got 1 pack of onion. We also have, put that to the side. We're going to be using the whole golden Idaho potatoes. We're going to throw that in there. So we got the butter that. Then we're going to, next thing we're going to do, we got the meat. The meat, I'm going to wash it off, do all that stuff, get everything taken care of, because you know I ain't doing that stuff in front of y'all. But then what I'm going to use with my stuff, I got the beef broth. I have garlic powder. I have minced garlic mince. Salt, pepper, and what else I'm gonna throw in here is I also have this right here. I really don't know how to say it. If you know how to say it, you know what I'm talking about. It's gonna be this. We got the little crock pot for the roast beef. We're gonna use that seasoning and some beef stew. So this is what I'm gonna put on there. It's gonna be nothing but meat and potatoes for the first one, and I will give you an update on the other part later. But this is what I'm gonna do. Let me get ready to clean my stuff, and then I'll holler at y'all later. Peace and hair grease. Hello. All right, this is another part. I just got finished washing my meat, so we got the meat in here. So this is the first part, and I already washed it, so I haven't put the seasoning on. I'm about to put the seasoning on and mix it all up in here in my cooking liner, slow cooking liner. So I hit you with another part. Peace. With the other part ingredients I'm gonna put in. Holla. All right, my third part. I just got finished washing my potatoes. I got the golden Idaho potatoes, and we're gonna throw them in here as well. We using all of them. All the potatoes. Meat and potatoes is all I'm going to be eating, y'all. Meat and potatoes. What about the veggies? The hell with the veggies. All right, next time. I'll catch you later. What's up, everybody? I have washed my potatoes and stuff. I put the potatoes in here. Now we're going to add some of this other stuff in here, you know, seasonings. So this right here is the onion. I'm going to put the onion. Let me open it. My hand's kind of still wet, so I don't want to open up. I throw in the onion powder. Then we're going to mix it all up. We're going to do pot roast. Do you want the food? Do you want the food now? Do you want the food? Do you want the food now? Can't say and do it, you know what I mean? I'm sorry. The garlic mince. Garlic powder. Gotta get it. Got some salt. Throw some salt in that thing, dog. Throw some salt in that thing. Throw some salt in it. They're like, man, how you measuring this thing? Some pepper. Throw some pepper in it. Throw some pepper in it. Put that pepper in it. It's not coming out that much. That's why it's like, ah. Put some pepper in it. Then we're going to put half of this in here because we already loaded up a lot of different seasonings. People talking about, oh yes, I love food. People talking about, so what you do for food? I'm over here just sing about food. Food over there, baby, half season in. Still over here, so you can get in. Come over here, but still with no business. Still over here, but still gorgeous in. People saying I'm doing for the food. What you gonna do for this old food? Talk about the pie, also I'm clean. People's over there, but still. Let's go mix it up. You know what I mean? We gotta mix it up. You know, what I do me the slow cooker liner in here for people who just want to have a slow cooker liner. Make it easy for you to do your stuff and clean it up. Make it easy to clean. Mix it up, nice and good. Get that seasoning all in there. On all my meat, on all my potatoes. So what I'm going to end up doing, probably going to put it on like a little nice little timer. I think my thing go like 6 minutes. I'm probably going to have like between 6 hours. I'm just having it on low because I'm doing other stuff. So I don't want to have it already done and rushing it. So I'm going to eat something else. We get it all mixed up. Everything. Remember, wash your stuff out, man. Clean your stuff. Normally, also the people that be wanting me to help, want me to cook and want to help me with information. We have like Sharina, we have like Official Jamie, we have like K Renee Garden, Destiny Feather Walk, PhD. A lot of people, you know what I mean? Scoop like me. There's a couple of people I could go to if I want to try something new. They will help me out. So now, you got that in there. Got a stick of butter. Let the butter do what it do, player. A whole stick of butter. It's a beef broth. What's so crazy is I didn't even open the thing up. You gotta cover it up, you know what I mean? What's up? I looked at the ingredients and somebody like, hey, put 1 cup in there. 1 cup, not even gonna put it at the bottom. You know what I mean? So we're gonna set this thing up. Cause this is all I got in there. So now, you got this stuff all good and ready. Put the lid on. guess it'll help if I plug it in. Power, we're gonna put the power on low. We're gonna put it on 6 hours. I think I might put it up, I might bump it up a little bit more, but right now we're gonna start off with 6 hours. So let's get this thing popping. So I will let y'all know how it goes after it's over. So and I will do a taste test, baby. Actually, I ain't gonna do a taste. I'm gonna taste it before I show you, so I can see. But if I mess up, I'll let you know that too. But till next time, peace and hair grease. Holla. What's up? What's up? What's up? So I finished doing it. My food for my slow cooker. And this is what we have. A lot of meat, potatoes. Ooh yeah. Let me put some in the bowl. Let me put some in the bowl, player. Something to eat before we work out in the morning. Trying to pay for the food. Let me tell you this, I'm all about the food. FOOD, talking about food. People's over here, but I'm not a fool. Still over here, but I feel so cool. Cool over here, just what you do. Do over here, I'm doing for me. People's over here when I say ooh wee now when I say on 3. I should have put what I noticed. I should have put more meat in there. Like I don't know, this is my first time really doing a slow cooker. I should have put more meat. But you know, we got the potatoes. I will give you another video let you know how it tastes after, so you know I ain't on here. Peace and hair grease. Hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? So I did my first slow cooker and had a meat and potatoes and give my results. I will say the meat was very tender, juicy, and all that. The potatoes, I felt like I needed to work on getting some more cheese or seasoning in the potatoes, so I got something to work on. But also, I can put some more stuff in here than more than just eat a potato, because once it all got done like this, I need some more stuff. So I see why people put like the vegetables in there, but what I'm probably going to do is change. So, but overall, I thought it was pretty good. I'm doing it again. We're going to give you another take of what we're going to do with this as well. But overall, I do like it. It was easy to do. And thank you everybody that helped out. So until next time, FOOD, and you talking about that food over there when we talk about the